$6,000 worth. I'm serious. This parrot know how to talk and everything. Had him on a stick outside the cage. He was fully trained. I walked in. I heard someone say, "What's up, big boy?" I said, "I know that parrot ain't talking to me." You know you be trying to play it off. You know what I'm saying? And I said, "What's happening?" He said, "What's up?" I said, "You can talk?" He said, "Yeah, I can talk." So white man and wife walked in. You know what I'm saying? Wife walked by. White man walked by. The parrot said, "Hey, come here for a minute." White man said, "Yeah." He said, "Yeah." He said, "Your wife ugly as hell." He said, "What?" He said, "Your wife ugly as hell." You know how white people are. He went straight to the manager. White guy went to the manager. "Look, your parrot out here said that my wife was ugly as hell." The manager said, "The parrot said that to you?" He said, "Yeah." He said, "I am tired of this parrot." Evidently he had problems out of this parrot. The manager went out there, got the parrot off the stick, took him in the back, beat him to death. Like they broke his wing, feathers sticking all across his head. Brought him back out there and put him on the stick. White man and white got ready to walk out the door. The parrot said, "Hey! Ain't nothing changed."